In this occasion, I present to you a fabulous trick that will change your life in the kitchen. With this simple homemade method that I will teach you today, you will be able to avoid the accumulation of food waste in your drainage. In addition, I will share another trick to prevent obstructions in the drain. This is the most effective way to get rid of the used oil. You only need a piece of aluminum foil previously used. Place this piece of aluminum foil in the drain hole. Remove the used oil following the steps that I will show you next. Wrap the aluminum foil well to prevent the oil from escaping, and then throw it away in the trash. Now, we discover one of the best tricks to wash the dishes. To do this, get a plastic container and cut one of its ends. You can use a screwdriver, a nail, or a tornillo grabbed with pliers. Heat the tip to make holes in the middle of the container of the plastic bottle. Take advantage of this moment and tell me from which country you are watching this video. Today we send a special greeting to David in Uruguay. Thank you for your comment in the previous video. We also greet Mabel from Spain and Elena from Mexico. Thank you all for always being present in each of our tips. Finally, make 2 holes in the top of the container. For the next step, you will need a used mask. Take the elastic bands of the mask and insert them through the holes in the plastic container. Make a new knot and then cut the ends with a scissors. This way, you will have your trap for the food waste ready. Place it on one side of the sink and adjust it with the help of a water key. This way, you will have your trap ready to catch the food waste every time you wash your kitchen utensils. You will avoid that the waste goes directly to the drainage and that it is obstructed over time. Once the waste is caught, simply throw them in the trash. With these 2 solutions that I shared today, you will be able to avoid future obstruction problems in your drainage. I would like you to tell me which of these 2 tricks was your favorite, and, on a scale from 0 to 10, how useful did you find this video? If this is the first time you watch one of my videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can be the first to receive our tips.